Linis chika, napakaganda at napakagaling na artistang si Janine Gutierrez, na anak ni Lotlot Gutierrez, gustong makatrabaho ang dyan sa superstar na si Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang kanyang recent interview sa isang reporter. Go VTR!
I hope I can work with Belle. Well, I know Belle. I'm a fan. Ang galing niyang artista, and at the same time, she's a really nice and sweet girl. And nakikita ko talaga how she's such a warm star, and I think she's such a star. And I would love the opportunity to work with her.